Welcome back, everyone. This is Frank Whiskey Charlie Zero Oscar. This is the Shaworoce CB microphone. It says right here 460S HX370S HX210. It says new. I got this on Amazon for less than $20. I'll have the link for you below in the description of this video. This is the microphone PTT replacement. Also, it has a speaker for the Yaesu Vertex Standard Horizon radio for the FT270R, the FTA 550, the VX6, which is great, the VX6R, VX7R, VX170, HX40, HX210, never heard of that one, HX290, HX370S, HX380, HX400, HX850, HX851, HX870, HX890 walkie-talkie. Okay, I don't know if that's from Yaesu or not, those HX ones. And there's a lot more. There are also VXA 710s and VTH 280s and PK 410s. I didn't think the plug would be that popular. Okay, so I did an unboxing of another microphone, and I'll see if I can remember to put the link down there. And that one, I tried to use that one for my QMX. I did some wonky. Try to separate the audio and the microphone. It didn't turn out very well. So I got another mic, and I have another idea. But for now, this is just an unboxing. You get to see what it looks like when you get it. I don't have my VX6 with me here, but I'm sure it would work with it. Very interesting. Usually these are pretty good quality. I have also not a Yaesu mic. It doesn't come with one if you ever buy a VX6. Okay, interesting. Feels a little bit lighter than the one that I have. Okay. Yeah, you can feel it's not the same quality, but it's good enough. Wire, stretchy, and that doesn't look like it's going anywhere. You can see it has 1, 2, 3 rings. One of them must be ground, and another one must be for audio. And that's the thing. I don't know which one is which. Let's see if we can open it. I opened the other one. I don't know if I'm going to need to unscrew this. I don't know. Oh, and one thing that I've never used is this. You can put apparently a mic. No, I meant headphones. That's interesting, isn't it? That's a very nice setup there. No instructions to tell me like how this is wired. Let's see if we can unscrew this and see if we can open this up. Okay, and we wanna unscrew it just to see if we can see any the wiring of it, so that I can cut this. I'm going to eventually cut this and then see if I can use it for my a QMX. But for those that are looking for a replacement mic, I got mine at HRO. I think it was a Pimax or something. I think I might have done a video on that. I probably did. Okay, let's see. Yes, you can open it. Just be very careful. That goes like this. This is just exactly like the other mic. Well, that's interesting. Okay. That's complete. All right. So that comes out completely. Very interesting. Okay. Very nice. Look at that. Nicer than the other one that I bought. I'm gonna put that up on the, I'll put the link on the bottom. Huh. It looks like, I'm gonna try to be careful here. I got my trusty magnifying glass. Let me look. I see at the moment maybe 3 wires, but I can't be sure. And let me see. Can I move this out? I probably can. Yeah, you can. Just gotta be careful. That's why we got Mr. Pocket Knife. An unboxing. See if I can wedge this in here. I just have to be careful. Because I want to see if it has more than 3 wires. Oh, I know what's going on here. That jack, right? Okay, well, we gotta be careful there. That jack is holding on plastic, so we don't want to do too much there. Oh no, it's 4. There's a black wire too. Okay. All right, there's a black wire. Let's put this back. Okay. I thought there would be. And a little bit hard to read here. But apparently the PTT is over here, which is the button here. There's a mic right there. And then we're going to have to figure out what is what. Probably with Yaesu. Yaesu would the manual for the VX6 maybe will tell me what each ring is. Probably black will be shared for ground, and you can see here, I know you can barely see that. It says SP for speaker most likely. And then this red wire. So that's probably the speaker for the ground. That's what it says. And then these don't have any names. But I'm sure one has to be ground. Then one has to be the hot, whatever that is. And then there has to be another one for the PTT. So there's 3. I'm guessing it's these 3 here. So we got the hot, right? I guess hot. And then the ground. And then the PTT must be this one. Probably the white one. Okay, these are just educated guesses. I can probably unscrew this. Let's see. Do I want to? Maybe. Let's see what happens. One of the great things about ham radio is that we get curious about what's underneath the hood in some things. Some things we can fix and other things we can't. And the cool thing about these things is they're very simple machines. Ah, look at that. This one I just have to be careful, making sure. This one I hope I remember how to put it back. Oh, that's going to be hard to look. But I think, I see a black and red on there. On the speaker, yep. I just don't know if that's positive or negative. Okay, so the black and red, probably the black, it's split into two somehow. Be interesting to know how they did that. Let's see. I know you can't really see what's going on. Yeah, looks like it. Ah, there we go. All right. Ooh, gotta be careful. PTT, mic, right? No, it's very hard to see. I'm just trying to see where this black. So this black goes to the board, and then this black goes to this side, and it looks like there's a little jumper cable here. See that? Probably, so the ground is probably shared. And that's how I have my previous PTT, my previous microphone speaker combo, which was a disaster in the end. Did that. Okay. This one goes like this somewhere. Or does it go here? Probably goes in between here. Put the rubber on there. And then I'm hoping you put that rubber piece there so the clicker will work. And don't screw these completely yet. This screwdriver is super old. I've had it for like more than a decade, probably 2 decades. Okay, tighten these up. Tighten this one up. All right, and then put this one here. Yes, fits nicely, you see? Okay, then put this back on. Fits nicely. I don't think I've destroyed anything. Put this back. Put one in. So in my next video, I will tighten this one up. I will see if I can make a microphone for the QMX with this microphone, and talk about my failure on my other mic. Very interesting. Okay, don't tighten too much. And it works again. See? Okay, so I'm sure it works. It has the same type of plug with a thread. Does it sound great? I'm sure it does. But this is the unboxing of the Shaworoce microphone speaker mic, and I'll put the link on the bottom and give you an opportunity to look at it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for 10,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that, and I hope we get to see how this will work. This is Whiskey Charlie Zero Oscar. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.